Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good morning, sir. My name is Nur Shafiza binti Muhammad Shani, meeting number 271-1304. So today I'm going to present my web application for assignment 1. So let's start. So this is my project file and I rename my application as app.pkob, and also there are few Python files and HTML files in my project. So this is the model.py file where I declare the object class of my application consists of timestamp, IC number, name, phone number, salary, address, city, mukim, parliament, state, postcode and the age. And this is the views.py file where it contains all the function used in my application. So as you can see, this is the insert data function used to insert the new data by the user, and this is the short formula of calculating the age using the IC number, using the user IC number. So the data will be saved and the system will display the new data successfully added. And this is the edit data function where the user can view the details of the victim by calling the IC number. So this is the update data function where it will recall when the user change the phone number, and then it will save the new phone number and the system will display the data successfully updated. So this is the delete data function where the user can delete the selected victim in the report, and the system will delete by calling the IC number, which IC number is the primary key. And this is the function of victim report, which it used to display all the victim list in the victim report page. So this is the urls.py, which is content of all the path used in my application, such as victim report, victim, admin, edit data, and so on. So this is the index.html file. This index.html file used in my home screen, which is I have navigation bar and also the header with a title of Pusat Kawalan Operasi Bencana. And this is the victim.html file. This victim.html file used to insert the data by the user, which is the name, IC number, phone number, salary, address, and so on. And when the user submit, it will display into the victim report HTML file. So this is the victim report HTML file. So at here I have a table where it contain it will display the victim list that have been added by the user, which is it also have a action button, two action button for edit and delete data. So this is the edit data HTML file where the user can view and edit the phone number, and it will display the details of the selected victim by displaying the IC number, name, phone number, salary, address, and so on. And the user can only change the phone number because the others data I have set it to unable to edit. So when the user click save change, it will update the new data and it will display to the victim report again. So this is my database. So database that I use in my application. So this is a timestamp. Timestamp only can be displayed in this database, not in the application website. So now I'm going to run my website. So this is my website. This is the home screen, and when I click the victim report, it will display to the victim table. And so this is the victim details that have been added by the user. So when I click the new report, these two buttons actually run the same function, which is it will prompt to the form of inserting new victim details. Okay, so this is the admin page where the admin can only be accessed this page. And then now I'm going to show how I insert new data into my application, my website. So for example, I insert this IC number and this name, and the phone number is, for example, okay, and also the salary and the mukim and the postcode. So this is just the example, and when I click the submit button, it will say new data successfully added. And when I go to the victim report page, now the new data have been added into the table, which is this one. So at the action part, I have two buttons, which is for the view. So the form will be view all the details that related to the IC number of the victim. And when I click delete, it will delete the selected victim. So for example, when I click delete button, for example, I want to delete this one, Kumar Singh. When I click this delete button, it will say, are you sure you want to delete? And I click OK. It will delete the selected data. So now I'm going to show how I edit my phone number. For example, user can click this search icon, and then the form will be display all the related data to the user, which is called by the IC number. And then when I click the other text form, it cannot be edited. It cannot be edited. So when I click the phone number, only phone number can be edited. So the rest cannot click. So for example, I want to edit phone number to 1013333333 3. Okay, for example, this one, and I click save change, it will display data successfully updated. So now go to the victim report, and this one have been updated, so it will turn to the bottom one. So this is the new phone number. So I think that's all for my web application. Thank you.